Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in Washington state. I'll break down the entire process into 6 simple steps that anyone can follow. So, why should you consider forming your LLC in Washington? Well, the state actually offers some pretty compelling benefits for business owners. You see, Washington has no personal or corporate income tax, which is a huge advantage for entrepreneurs. The state also boasts a thriving economy, particularly in tech and innovation, plus a well-educated workforce and strong international trade connections. Now, before we dive into the step-by-step process, I want to tell you about the simplest way to form your LLC. You can actually skip a lot of the paperwork headaches by using Taylor Brands. They basically handle everything for you, filing all the necessary documents, providing registered agent service, and making sure you stay compliant with state requirements. The thing is, when you use Taylor Brands, you just fill out a simple online form with your basic information, and they take care of all the technical stuff. They will prepare and file your certificate of formation, serve as your registered agent, and even help you create an operating agreement. Plus, they offer ongoing compliance support to keep your business in good standing. All right, let's get into the actual steps, starting with choosing your business name. In Washington, you need to follow certain rules. Your LLC name must include the words Limited Liability Company or the abbreviation LLC. The name also needs to be unique. You can't use a name that's already taken by another business in Washington. To check if your desired name is available, you can use the Washington Secretary of State's business name search tool. It's also worth noting that you should avoid any words that could mislead people about your business purpose or require special licensing. Now, every Washington LLC needs a registered agent. This is basically someone who accepts legal documents on behalf of your business. Your registered agent needs to have a physical address in Washington state and be available during normal business hours. You can be your own registered agent if you want, but honestly, most business owners prefer using a professional service. The thing is, using a professional registered agent service gives you privacy and ensures you never miss important documents. So here's where things get official. You need to file your certificate of formation with the Washington Secretary of State. The filing fee is $180 if you file online, or $200 if you file by mail. This document requires basic information about your LLC, including your business name, registered agent details, and principal office address. You will also need to provide the names and addresses of all LLC members or managers. Well, this step isn't technically required by Washington state law, but trust me, it's really important. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be run, including things like ownership percentages, voting rights, and how profits and losses will be distributed. Even if you're the only member of your LLC, having an operating agreement can help protect your limited liability status and prevent misunderstandings down the road. You see, it shows you're treating your LLC as a legitimate business entity. The next step is getting your Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. Think of it as a social security number for your business. You will need this number to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file your taxes. Actually, getting an EIN is pretty straightforward. You can apply online through the IRS website and get your number immediately. The best part? It's completely free. Finally, you will need to take care of any additional requirements specific to your business type and location. This might include getting business licenses or permits, registering for state taxes, or setting up workers' compensation insurance if you plan to have employees. In Washington, most businesses need to register with the Department of Revenue and get a business license. The basic business license application fee is $19, but additional fees may apply depending on your business activities. So there you have it. That's how to form an LLC in Washington state. Now, if you want to save time and ensure everything is done correctly, I really recommend using Taylor Brands. They make the whole process super simple and give you peace of mind knowing all your paperwork is handled properly. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle everything yourself, just follow the steps we covered today. Either way, the important thing is to get started and make sure you're setting up your business the right way from the beginning. Remember, if you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions about forming your LLC in Washington, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new business venture.